Hi guys, we're back for a final on our Airwolf build for the Brian's Mr. BG's Whirly group build. This is the original AMT kit, the 148 scale from the show Airwolf. If you're don't know, which I doubt anyone doesn't, but that's what it is. The Airwolf was based on a Bell 222B. And it had the kit actually came with the parts to build a stock 222B, or you could build as Airwolf, which we did. Obviously built Airwolf. The actual filming helicopter after the show ended was converted back to a regular it was an air rescue ambulance, and it was sent over to Europe, where it was crashed and destroyed, so it doesn't exist. There's a replica that's been built, and it was in the museum down in Dollywood for a while, but now it's actually in private hands somewhere in California. Some rich billionaire has it sitting on the roof of his house to look cool. Anyway, we have it built with the gun pods deployed. We have on the bottom we have the missile pod deployed. We have our landing gear down. And this kit was initially intended to have some play factor to it, so the landing gear could be movable, and you could set these up, the guns up, to where you could take them out and close it up. Rotor does turn, kind of. It doesn't turn real well. The tail rotor did turn, but I went ahead and excluded it because it was not in very well, and it would easily fall out. We tried. I went to the hobby shop the other day and picked up some more AK Extreme Metal to do the exhaust. They didn't have any, but they had the AK Super Chrome, which is basically the same as the Molotov. It's about half the price. It's the ink, alcohol-based ink, just like the Molotov. And you can brush it or with a pen, with a brush, or you can airbrush it on. And I just brush painted it on for the exhausts there. Not a whole lot to say. I mean, it's very basic kit. It only had a couple of dozen parts to it. We definitely should have paid closer attention when doing with the instructions, because I had to go back and undo and redo a lot of things because I was getting ahead of myself. But yeah, it's Airwolf. It looks like Airwolf, and I know you can hear that picture, so it sounds like Airwolf, so we're going to call it Airwolf. Coming up next, we're going to be starting on Blue Thunder. I don't know if we're going to get it done in time for the end of the group build, but that's okay. I don't care if it's done by the end of the month or not, or by Labor Day. That's what we're going to start next, along with we're going to start the 5-window coupe for the Rambler 69 group build. And it's not too early to start thinking about what you're going to do for the cancer awareness build coming up in October, guys. So start looking around through your stash or deciding what you want to do for that, because it starts in October, which seems like a long time away now, but boy, we get up tomorrow, it'll seem like October is already here. So start looking for what you're going to do for that, and we will get you some still pictures here at the end of the video, and we will see you on the next one.